Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we're producing, you want to be updated to our content on a regular basis, head over to YouTube, hit the subscribe button to join our channel. You can follow Akash and I individually on Twitter, with Akash at Mangyeko0 and myself at Just Analysis 1. Taking a look here at Ripple. Ripple's got a lot of tight consolidation against the 382 fib retracement and a 100% fib expansion just below the cloud. Um, yeah, I mean, it's this is kind of the same old story going across the board here with a lot of cryptos. Is a lot of consolidation occurring here. Um, it does have bearish continuation set up, and you could see some downside pressure even lower. But um, yeah, again, there's just not a lot of follow through on the selling side. Um, if if 80 cents fails to hold, then there's a very high chance that we see it drop all the way down to that 65-cent level. Um, and ultimately, really to convert to a full-on bull mode here, Ethereum needs to, or not Ethereum, Ripple, XRP needs to get to $1. And I know that seems very, very like duh, but that is the case, and it needs to get to $1 or above in order for it to really, on the daily chart at least, to convert into a nice return to a bullish expansion phase. That does it for me on Ripple. Really don't have a lot to talk about there other than downside is limited to around 65 cents, and the upside potential, unless it gets above $1, is just going to flounder. So that's what I see.
Yeah, it's really annoying that these coins are consolidating and you don't really know where it's going to go. The long-term predictions kind of tend to be uncertain. So the thing that I'm concentrating right now is the 3-day demand zone here, which ranges from 0.70 to 0.77. Although Ripple did breach this on December 3rd, it's been holding up pretty good since then. And for now, it's stabilizing just above that. And I see it heading towards the 0.90. So the levels that I'm looking at essentially is 0.90 and the 200-day moving average at 0.95 roughly. The 50-day moving average comes at 0.92, which is all of these come in very close proximity. So I see the Ripple, XRP, doing some sort of consolidation around here. But once we kind of get above the 200-day moving average, uh, again, I see a lot more consolidation happening here because of the 50-day moving average, uh, which also happens to be just around the $1 psychological level. So it has to overcome this whole cluster of support. And as you can see, the last two times it tried, XRP failed. Just clarify that. Yeah, so the last two times XRP tried moving above the $1 psychological level, it kind of failed. So I'm expecting something similar happening here. If we do fail to go above here, there's a good triple top setup here, and then I see Ripple coming down again. So for now, the upside for XRP seems to be capped at 0.95, which is from the current position a 13% upswing. So anywhere between 10 to 13% upswing is what I see for XRP. If we do lose the 0.77 support level here, which is the start of the 3-day demand zone, then I'm looking at 0.65, as John mentioned, which has been a good support from a long-term perspective. So yeah, that's my take on XRP.
Right on. Well, thank you everybody for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.